Hi everyone, we are back in the live lounge here at Sapphire, and I'm here with Irene from Intercare. So Irene, go ahead and introduce us to yourself and a little bit about Intercare.
Well, hi. I'm Irene Zaguskin with Enercare. Enercare is a Toronto-based company. We are one of North America's largest home and commercial energy organizations. Um, Grown very rapidly over the past few years, sort of going from roughly 100 million in revenue to we're building up to 1.3 billion.
Oh
So
wow.
lots of rapid growth, lots of change, a lot of it through acquisition. So it's been a very exciting journey.
So a lot of this growth through acquisition, what kind of challenges has that presented to you and Intercare?
Well, as you know, when you grow through acquisition, there's a lot of complexity that gets added to the environment. Each company you acquire comes with their own systems, their own platforms. Sometimes those systems are quite old. You encounter legacy systems, you encounter support issues, and so it introduces a lot more complexity into the organization, and that brings its own challenges.
So then with an organization like Intercare, you told me a little bit about your history with, being in the past working with SAP systems. So what kind of brought you to that realization that this was kind of that right fit then for a company like Intercare?
Um, it's a great question. We actually took a lot of time to figure out what was the right fit for Enercare. And we went through a fairly lengthy process of looking at all the products out there on the market and looking at all of our requirements and what were truly the needs of our organization. But most importantly, what was the customer experience we wanted to create? Our company is very focused on the customer and what that customer experience is and what it should be, and giving the most flexibility to our customers when they interact with us. And that aspect of personalization is very important to us and it's very important to our customers. So we did a lot of research. We looked at a number of products on the market. We did an extensive RFP, and we arrived at SAP being the right answer for our ERP platform. And I think the reason for that is SAP is really a best of breed technology, it's a best of breed company, and we're really looking forward to that partnership to leverage best practices and build out this new experience for our customers together in partnership with SAP.
Okay. So customization, that personalization. So just to give our audience a little bit of background, Enercare has a bunch of different lines of business, right? Like there's a ton of different companies. So what are some of those different kind of companies that Enercare has under its just massive umbrella?
Yeah, it's a great question. So over the past, I would say 2.5 years, we made a couple of very significant acquisitions. We acquired the Direct Energy Home Services business. We acquired Service Experts. So two very large changes within our organization. And as we have gone through these acquisitions, we realized that we need to really continue focusing on our customer, on the customer journey, and what we want that customer experience to be. More so, I would say we also want to be focused on an ongoing relationship. So if we look at it historically in the past, the way interactions worked, especially in the utility sector, is as a customer, when I have a problem, I pick up my phone, I call in, I tell the provider that there's a problem, a tech is dispatched, and that's pretty much that experience. The experience we want to build is very different. We want to have a constant conversation with our customers. We want to keep that relationship going. We want to have that interaction. And to do that, we have to be relevant, we have to be present, we have to be interesting. And so we are leveraging technology to get us there, both through driving insights and having conversations that are relevant to our customers, but also through launching multiple channels. So we actually launched a mobile app, which is the first in our industry. And through that mobile app, customers can book an appointment, they can review their list of products, and they can interact with us anytime. And so that gives them various avenues to continue that relationship with us and make sure that from the comfort of their home, they can interact with us anytime, and home becomes a worry-free environment for the customer through their partnership with us.
And that's exactly. I think you even answered my next question, which was one of the which was one of the main benefits of using an S4 HANA and a business object solution is to kind of give your customers that flexibility. But what does that do for your business? How does that help kind of your internal processes then?
Well, I think one of the biggest benefits of SAP and partnering with SAP is all the experience and the best practices that SAP comes with. You're not just buying a technology, you're buying a business transformation as part of it. And so for us, we're very much looking forward to leveraging best practices, adopting SAP processes, and standardizing a lot of things across our organization. And we truly believe that through that partnership with SAP, it will get us to a much better place with a lot more automation, a lot less paper use, and ultimately more agility for our customers.
So then that gives us a little bit of insight into the final question that I have for Irene. So tell me more, like what does the future hold for Enercare? What excites you about the future of Enercare?
Well, we want to win.
Oh,
We want to win in this
absolutely.
market, and I truly believe that we're on the right journey and on the right path because we're passionate about our customers. We're passionate about building out that experience, and we are passionate about taking all of your worries away as it pertains to your home.
Well, I was gonna say, do you guys have Enercare in Arizona? Because I'd sign up if that was if that was an option. Well, Irene, thank you very much. It was a pleasure speaking with you today.
Pleasure. Thank
And
you.
everyone, thanks for joining us here in the live lounge. And this is Irene with Enercare. We'll see you soon.